Don't die now. You sink. You're just sinking.
I know.
Hey.
Yay!
It's so over.
No, it's not. It's never over.
It's not over. He's got that. He's got that. Look at him go.
Yeah,
He's probably had the best time of his life.
Look at him go. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Yo, he's just going crazy. He's just drifting the whole time. Yo. That gets so bad. Oh, he's gone. Whoa! Okay, we're good. We're good. All right, you're gonna hit the ramp.
Oh yeah, man.
All right. From the other side. No, I'm just kidding. Hit it from the back. Oh, he's gone. He's gone. He's gone. He's gone. You guys ready? We lost Sam immediately.
Oh no. Alright.
Well, just do a loop. We're coming back around, Sam. Oh shit, look at him go. Look at him go. All right, Sam. Jump back in. Where's your board? We're coming back away for Sam. We'll come back for you, Sam. He dropped again. Use the other sled, Sam. Use the other one. Oh yeah, lift it up high. Yep, that's good. Yay! Wee! No? He lost his hat. I can see this. I can see the spit on the side of your mouth. Sam, can you even see anything?
Alright, Logan.
Logan, go.
Yes, there was. Oh no. Oh no.
Go quicker. They're good. They're good. They're good. Lift it up a little bit. Oh, we lost Sam. Oh, we lost him. Keep going. Sam's enjoying it. Sam is not enjoying it. Yes, Sam. He's not enjoying it. He's just covered in snow. He's gone. You got this. Oh shit! Stop. Goodbye, Carter. Bye-bye, Carter. Bye-bye. His fucking stupid dumbass. Stupid dumbass. He just got in the picture. Come on. He fucked up.
Really?
Yes, indeed.
It wasn't even my fault, bro. This gone.
This gone.